Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. What I got going on today is we're getting in the van, taking the trailer, we're heading up north, we're picking up Tony, and we're looking for Jeep parts. Let's go. Alright, we got Tony. What's up, Tone?
Going on another Jeep adventure.
Let's go see. We're looking for a TJ frame in the wild. Let's see if we can find it. We'll start the van. Here we go. Oh.
And the main event.
It started. We're on our way. Alright, so here we are. We drove up to our secret location. And we heard stories about this frame being in the woods from 2005. The front drive shaft broke and caught the Jeep on fire and burned it to the ground. So we weren't sure what it was going to look like, but here it is. I think we're going to pass. What do you think, Tony?
Yeah, I got to stop taking on really big projects, and this is a really big project.
No more big projects. The mice got in the back of the frame, and 10 years of living in the frame rotted the whole rear section out. Oh, we got a lot of rot in the back, so we're not going to do it. Don't mind the tractor. It was a nice day to take the trailer for a ride. We're going to go get in the van, go back down the road. We'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.